4, southern Medina County in northeastern Ohio, Ashland County, Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, southwestern Lorain County, eastern Knox County, Holmes County in northeastern Ohio, until 6:15 a.m. At 5:27 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near New London to 7 miles northwest of Loudonville, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Worcester, Ashland, Millersburg, Wadsworth, Orville, Berlin, Richmond, Walnut Creek, Doylestown, Lodi, Loudonville, Gambier, Creston, Dalton, Shreve, West Salem, Danville, Kilbuck, Chippewa Lake and Hayesville.